Are you scared? Then don't touch me. I can get out myself. I can get out myself.
I'm gonna pat you down.
You don't, no, I don't give you permission. No, you don't. I don't give you permission. For a traffic stop, you gotta pat me down?
Yeah, because I'm gonna have you step out of the car.
What if I don't? Officer safety is because you're scared. That's what it means. Tell me you're scared and I'll get out the car. Tell me you're scared. Tell me you're scared. Admit to me that you're scared and I'll get the car. Officer safety means you're a coward and you're scared.
Okay, that's fine. If you think that I'm scared, then
no, you gotta say it. Okay, you gotta word it. Yes, I am gonna get the car. Yes, I'm gonna get the car.
The process is, this is how we do it, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna have you put your hands behind your head and I'm gonna escort you out, all right? I'm gonna pat you down for weapons.
At the end of the day, there was no ticket that was given to either the driver or the passenger. They were detained, and when EastLos Audits didn't want to sit on the ground, they put them in the back of the vehicle for officer safety.
Are you ready?
What's up, everyone? We're getting pulled over. Here you go. You don't need it yet.
Hey, let me get a better Domestic Violence 591 North Plymouth Boulevard, 2 incident 477 RD 2001. 7 up to 7 party, 10 more and 11. Incident 4450 RD 2055. Vandalism suspect 4730 Walton Avenue. Incident 4764 RD 2076. Radio 327 Southwestern. Incident 4890 RD 2022.
Where's your ID at, bro? I'll be taking it back. Where's it at?
Come right here, bro. Relax. Quit being scary.
How far you roger
Can I get my license registration? Relax. You didn't pull me over for nothing wrong. These tinted windows. Here you go.
You on probation or parole?
No, I'm not.
What's up, guys? We're going to be talking about one of the most commonly cited and most commonly abused Supreme Court cases in modern policing, Pennsylvania versus Mims.
Are you?
Are you?
Oh, I hope not.
Oh, I hope not either.
That's not an answer.
What happened?
It's not an answer, man.
What?
It's not an answer. I hope not. It's not an answer.
I said I hope not.
It's not an answer, though, is it? It's a yes or no question, sir.
You have paperwork for the car? Other than this, you have insurance?
Can you give my insurance card?
This one?
Yeah, one of them bottom ones. Oh, here. Here you go. Here.
Tinted. When these factory tint, right?
I don't know what it's
Factory tint, buddy.
I ain't even tripping.
I bet you got tinted windows in your
What was
car.
that, sir?
I said, I bet you got tinted windows in your car.
On this car?
On your car. That's not your car. That's a government car. It's not your car.
We'll be right back.
It's not your car. Stop lying.
For tinted windows. Get the fuck out of here.
Tinted windows. All right, he's a sergeant too. All right, we'll see. We're gonna get a complaint from on his ass for being a bitch.
You probably heard an officer say it before. Sir, step out of the vehicle. And when questioned, they follow it up with, Supreme Court says I can. But what Pennsylvania versus Mim actually allows and what many officers think it allows are two different things. If you don't understand the difference, you're giving up rights that you don't have to.
Don't be reaching for nothing. What a
Don't be
piece of
reaching for quit being scary. What are you scared about?
shit. You scared, motherfucker? Quit your job.
You're that scared?
He asked for your license, but then he doesn't want you to reach.
Yeah.
What kind of shit is that?
Yeah.
The reason for the stop, Moose, is because tinted windows. These are factory tint. Factory.
Guys,
It's
fucking
wild,
delusional. He's a fucking delusional. But it is what it is.
Piece of shit, cop.
That's what we got a license for.
Fuck.
Yeah, he's weird.
Pennsylvania versus Mims was decided in 1977. The basic facts are simple. Police stopped a man named Harry Mims for driving with an expired license plate. That stop itself was lawful. After stopping him, the officer ordered Mims to get out of the car. Once Mims stepped out, the officer noticed a bulge under his jacket. That bulge led to a frisk, and the frisk uncovered a firearm. Mims argued that ordering him out of the car violated the Fourth Amendment. The Supreme Court disagreed.
You dare us to rip the ticket? First of all, it's not my ticket. But we can take a picture first and then rip it up and shit. Yeah, fuck you, piece of shit.
Roll the back window down, please.
What was your name, sir?
What was that?
What was your name? What?
Palaganas.
What?
Palaganas.
Palaganas, huh? From what division?
What do you mean, what division?
Oh, what city? Sorry, what city? West Covina. So really tinted windows? These are regular ass windows, man.
roll
You're
it down?
tripping.
Just so I can talk to you.
I ain't rolling shit down, man.
You should be apprehensive.
I don't need to roll the window down for what?
Just so I can talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you, man. Fuck you. Fucking tinted windows. Get out of here, man.
You ever seen there's nobody here, bro?
Tinted windows.
I don't know why.
The court ruled that during a lawful traffic stop, officers may order the driver to exit the vehicle without additional reasonable suspicion. The court reasoned that the intrusion on a personal liberty was minimal and the officer's safety interest was significant. That's the holding, and that's where many officers stopped reading. They did extend that to passengers as well. Here's the part that they skip. MIMS doesn't authorize searches. It does not automatically allow frisks. It does not allow prolonged detention. It does not override the Fourth Amendment.
Oh, good.
Look over here, man.
Don't look at him. Fuck
Close your
him. Is your camera on?
Yeah, absolutely.
You should. You better be.
Close your eyes.
He's making eyes at you. Ojitos.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Palaganas. Okay.
No, dude, nothing wrong with it.
Huh?
You don't answer no questions. We don't need to answer no questions,
Take
man.
medicine? Why are your eyes doing that?
Then what?
They're fluttering.
Fluttering.
This guy.
Bro.
What happened to tinted windows? All of a sudden now his eyes are different now? Come on.
Do you have anything that you're
Tripping.
not supposed to have on you, bro?
Don't answer no questions,
I
man.
don't answer no questions.
Huh?
I don't answer no questions.
I'm asking you.
Now you could ask all you
This is
want, man.
illegal detention, sir.
Sure, but you could ask whatever you want, man.
Do you have any weapons on you?
For tinted windows?
I'm asking you. Do you have any weapons on you? It's a yes or no question.
No.
No?
The fuck?
Have you taken any drugs?
What's your name, man?
No.
No. Do you
What's
take
your
any
name?
drugs?
No.
Huh?
What?
No. All these
I can't hear you. Say it
tinted
again.
windows? Really?
Traffic stop.
I can hear you. Go ahead,
It's
say it.
wild.
Say
Yeah,
it, man.
really,
Say it like a
really
man.
now?
Say it like a man.
Take your seatbelt off.
Be proud of your last name. Your daddy gave you your last name. What's your last name?
Put your hands behind your head, baby.
None of your
Oh
business,
my
man.
God, man. Go
What's
ahead.
your name? What's your name?
Really? You know I'm live, right? All of this is being recorded. I hope you're really recording all this
I am
shit.
recording you, sir. Lean forward for me. Keep your hands on your head, okay?
What?
Step your feet out.
You
Hold
put
on,
him in
listen.
cuffs? Really?
Wait
For
for me.
tinted windows?
Wait
Man,
for
you
me.
guys are bitches,
For
man.
what?
Straight bitches. West Covina PD are bitches.
Really? Is it this serious? Is it this serious?
They're scared. That's what it is. They're scared. Bitch ass cops.
The frisk in MIMS was not justified by the exit order. It was justified only because the officer observed a specific articulable fact, the visible bulge consistent with the weapon. Without that bulge, the frisk would have been unconstitutional. So what do officers actually need in order to use Pennsylvania versus MIMS properly and pull you out of the car? First, the traffic stop must be lawful. No lawful stop, no MIMS authority. Second, the order to exit must be tied to an officer's safety, not punishment or control. Third, anything beyond that exit order requires its own independent legal justification.
Rosemary, how are you, Rosemary? This guy's over here scared. Look, he's got his light on me. My hands are right here. Palaganas, what his name was? Palaganas, I think that's what it was. Let's look it up. Look in the code. Put in the code. Got 2 units, allegedly for tinted windows. These are factory tint, man. It's factory tint. There ain't no tinted windows here. He just saw us. He didn't like the look I gave him. Let's be honest. They don't like it when you stare at them. And now here we are. Stopped. Tinted windows, and now they pulled the homie out the car. Because he doesn't want to answer questions, huh?
And here's where the abuse creeps in. Officers regularly invoke MIMS as if it's a magic spell. They use that to fish for consent. They use it to intimidate drivers and passengers, like in this video. They use it to escalate routine traffic stops into roadside interrogations. Some officers falsely claim that MIMS allows them to detain passengers indefinitely, which is fucking wrong. Others pair it with vague language like, for my safety, to justify actions they never would have taken if the driver stayed seated. Worse, some officers treat stepping out of the car as automatic reasonable suspicion. It's not. Nervousness is not suspicion. Silence is not suspicion. Filming is not suspicion. And refusing consent is absolutely not suspicion.
Tinted windows, there's no reason for this bullshit. None whatsoever. Yeah, alleged infraction, yo. They're gonna ask me to come out the car too for what? What did I do, right? We'll see. What am I stepping out the car for?
Yeah.
Why? The traffic stop is with him, not with me.
Yeah, but you're a passenger.
What does that got to do with me?
So are you gonna step out or not?
Why do I gotta step out?
Because I'm telling you.
But what? You gotta give me a reason
I
why.
have a legal right.
What's the legal right?
Huh?
What's the legal right?
All things down here.
Is
I'm not gonna argue.
it Pennsylvania versus Mims? Are you afraid? Are you afraid of something? Are you scared?
When Mims is abused, it turns minor traffic infractions into leverage points for unconstitutional policing. And the courts have been very clear. Officer safety concerns must be real, articulable, and specific, not feelings. So how do we minimize abuse of Pennsylvania versus Mims? The first line of defense is education. The people who know the scope of Mims are less likely to be bullied by it. Second, officers must be forced through courts and public accountability to articulate their reasoning. Because Mims, it's not a legal explanation. If they frisk, they must justify the frisk. If they extend the stop, they must justify the extension. Third, recording matters. Video creates an objective record of whether an exit order was used reasonably or abusively. Courts tend to believe what they can see. And finally, departments must stop training officers to treat Supreme Court cases as a blank check instead of narrow rulings.
Are you scared? Then don't touch me. I can get out myself. I can get out myself.
I'm gonna pat you down.
You
have any
don't,
weapons
no,
on you?
no, I don't give you
I have
permission.
every-
No,
I
you
have-
don't.
I don't
give
need
you
your
permission.
permission.
For a traffic stop, you gotta
Yeah.
pat me down?
Yeah. Because I'm gonna have you step out of the car. It's an
Well,
officer
what if I
safety
don't? Officer safety is because you're scared. That's what it means.
Okay.
Tell me you're scared and I'll get out the car.
I'm
Tell
not
me you're
scared,
scared.
sir.
Tell me you're
Do me a
scared.
favor. Can you put your
Admit to me that you're scared and I'll get the car. Officer
scared.
safety means you're a coward and you're scared.
Okay, that's fine. If you think that I'm scared, then
No, you gotta say it.
Okay,
though. You
so
gotta
are you
word
gonna-
it.
are you gonna come
Yes,
out
I am
or
gonna
not?
get the car.
Okay, so
Yes,
do
I'm
me a
gonna
favor.
get the car.
The process is this is how we do it. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you put your hands behind your head, and I'm gonna escort you out. All right. I'm gonna pat you down for weapons. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Put your hands behind your head. Hold on. Listen. Put your hands behind your head.
Don't touch me, man. I'm gonna get
Just
out.
put your hands behind
Well,
your
I can
head.
do it by myself. Get your hand off me.
I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna.
I don't need your help. I'm an
Okay,
able-bodied
listen, okay,
human.
but I'm not
I'm
saying you're not.
able-bodied, man.
Okay,
I can
put your
do
hands behind
this.
your head. You're making it difficult.
I can if you're
making
holding
it-
me.
Okay. Put your hands behind
You
your
gotta
head.
let me go first. You gotta let me go.
Put your hands behind your
I
head. bro.
will if you let
I
me
don't
go.
know what you got on you.
You
okay?
don't have to know, man.
So,
You don't
I'm
it's a
gonna-
traffic stop for
Okay.
tinted windows. A traffic stop for tinted windows, and you're scared. Let me get out, man. Come on. This guy. What's going on? You're gonna pat me down. I have a weapon. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? You're scared. You sound scared to me. You sound scared. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me.
You have a knife in your pocket.
It's not a knife. You guys are fucking morons. It's not a knife. Fucking moron.
I'm going to. Because I am.
If you believe your rights are violated in Pennsylvania versus Mims, definitely put in a complaint. And the problem might not be the case itself. The problem is how often it's misused by officers who either don't understand it or hope that you don't understand it. A lawful order to exit a vehicle does not erase your Fourth Amendment rights. It does not authorize a search. It does not justify detention beyond the purpose of the stop. And it does not turn obedience into suspicion. The more that we, the people, understand where MIM starts and where it ends, the harder it becomes for bad policing to hide behind Supreme Court citations. Knowledge isn't just power. On the roadside, it's your protection. And there's something else about this video that we got to talk about. EastLos Audits was a passenger in this vehicle. The cops ordered him to step out, and a couple minutes later, a cop comes and turns off the camera. That creates a problem, folks. There is no law requiring a camera to be held or worn. Recording police in public is protected by the First Amendment, regardless of whether the camera is in your hand, on a tripod, inside your car like in this situation, or sitting on the ground, as long as you're not interfering. Courts have made this unmistakably clear. Click v. Cuniff recognized the right to record police as a clearly established First Amendment activity. Smith versus City of Cumming confirmed the public's right to record matters of public interest. Fordyce versus City of Seattle, binding in California, affirmed that filming police in public is protected speech. And Fields versus Philadelphia held that the act of recording itself is protected regardless of the device or the motive. The only lawful limit is actual interference, not officer discomfort, not embarrassment, and not these made-up rules that some of them like to make. An order to stop recording without real interference is unconstitutional. Now check this out. If the officer touched your camera, moved, blocked, or seized it, that's a Fourth Amendment violation. If the man was threatened or detained for asserting his rights, that's First Amendment retaliation under 42 U.S.C. 1983. Department policy does not override the Constitution, folks. And when officers invent rules to shut down cameras, what they're really doing is exposing themselves and the departments to serious civil liability. And this is exactly why cameras matter. This is exactly why we're supposed to be recording. Now look, not very many lawyers want to take our cases because maybe we didn't get brutalized out there. Some lawyers will blame shift onto you and say, you shouldn't have been recording the officer. Recently, I was arrested for recording a school cop for speeding. The civil rights lawyer put out a couple videos where the exact same thing happened. And the last one he put out, it's the exact same situation with me. The supervisors arrived on scene and let me out the car. I do have an announcement regarding that. It seems as if the Pop Brothers at Law are going to be taking my case and we're going to be filing a lawsuit. That's a little update on my case. You guys, I'm going to be dropping EastLos Audits, channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you guys get a chance, please go show him some support. He's looking to see if he has a case here because the cop turned off his camera. And I believe the cop also abused Pennsylvania versus Mims. And why do I believe that? At the end of the day, there was no ticket that was given to either the driver or the passenger. They were detained, and when EastLos Audits didn't want to sit on the ground, they put him in the back of the vehicle for officer safety. Look, guys, bottom line is cops are not supposed to abuse these things for officer safety, but we see it over and over again. And if lawyers are not going to want to take our cases, then maybe we really need to learn how to file these lawsuits ourselves. We need all the support that we can get, so make sure you leave us all some comments, help guide us in the right direction so that we could teach other folks on our channels as well. That being said, thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.